I was playing at the beach when I found a watch. I was wondering how much watches there are, and if the beach consists of many watches. How many watches are there? Is this a question for everything? Is this a question for anything? Is this a question? Is this a right question? How much watches are there? How much watches are there? Just think of it like some balls that are arranged in perfect order, like perfect, nearly perfect. Let's say nearly perfect order. Watches and balls in a nearly perfect order, and they get released from say this perfect order, and they like hitting each other because it was nearly perfect and not quite perfect, like perfectly perfect, you know. They just tend to move towards each other, you know, some of them, just some, and then some more, because where once something, there could be something more, you know, like they attract each other more when there are more watches. Is there a question? And they get collected in these like on the beach, you know, in the sand, they get collected. And then they get, you know, something happens that separates them again, like try to put one to something somewhere else and just rearrange them, and maybe build something out of it. Maybe there's a question, you know. Maybe there are watches, and they get built by let's say something like me, something similar, something like a watch that like works like a watch itself, like a clock, like moves like in a way only clocks move, you know, in a perfect order, like nearly perfect. It's nearly perfect, not quite perfectly still perfect enough that it works. and it rearranged the way of its own, beach. And then he can play. He can play with this beach, and there was this stone. This stone. I found it. I found it inside of a watch. Inside of a watch, there is a stone that keeps the clock, the watch working. It's like I forgot the name. It's a stone. It's like slightly radioactive, and it works like a battery. Like a battery, but I forgot the name. It's it's inside of. Okay, let's say the beach consists of watches, and they get, they run by the energy of the stone. So maybe the beach works like the stone. And in fact, you see, beaches are, beaches consists of a lot of stones, like small stones. They just rearranged from a mountain to a beach.